Hey kids, it's me, Sideshow. Yeah, back with a little update. So the test firing did not go well. Um, yeah, it flopped. I'm thinking about some things I can do. What I already did was move the anchor from the bottom of the trigger catch to the top corner of the trigger catch to give me like 4 more inches that I could work with as far as tension goes. I fucking extended the spring start point to the very end of the rifle. Um, yeah, that didn't help. You can see in the test fires, I think it was like test fire 2 or 3 that I made those changes. So what I'm thinking about doing is shortening the spring, thus lengthening the amount that it'll stretch. And see if that works. If that doesn't work, I'm going back to the drawing board and I'm thinking about using a pulley system, pulleys and springs in combination. See if I can compound this a little bit. Yeah, I'm not giving up on it yet, but we'll see. Here's all the test fires I did just for fun. Thanks. Keep your stick on the ice.
Bad for your heart!
Go. And 3, 2, 1. Shit, that hurt. Oh, fuck. Go. And 3, 2, 1. Shit, that hurt. Oh, fuck.
Test fire 2. Yep.
Alright, we're going. Alright. In 3, 2, 1.
Damn.
Pulling on the.
Alright.
Alright, ready? In 3, 2,